from Charlie. Shot passing game going on. Oh, again a chance. Can he convert? Free space, shot comes in. And that's the goal number 1 for Mon. The entire stadium is bursting in joy. It's ARAP who scores the goal for the Mon side. The scoreline stands 2-0. 1-1, and it's an early moment shocker for the defending champions. That's what the defense splitting to, and from there, the sprint that ARAP took. It's a lovely touch and then a lovely conversion. Now they are leading the game by 1-0 margin. And now again, ARAP. You can see him. That was a right-footed conversion. Goalkeeper. He gave a full drive, tried to narrow down the angle, but it wasn't successful in the case.